Hi, Jason and Tara, Shelby Downs, and homeowners. Andy Taylor here with Red Rock Roofing. I am here in Longmont at 5354, and I apologize, I forgot the street, but I'm going to do a quick inspection video for the roof and detailing what I see. So first thing I want to point out is the roof is a black color, but there are a few different shingles that are up here on the roof. I noticed right away that there has definitely been some sealing that's going on with the roof in the past. I don't know if in the garage they were getting a leaking and had to actually do this. The flashing that's actually underneath the fascia here and the down here is definitely bent out. This is not actually focusing water the way that it should, and you can see that the fascia here is very spongy and soft. It's been taking water for a while. Now, let me make my way up onto the roof. The first thing that I noticed right away was that there are a lot of these nail heads that are just laying on the roof like so. This is likely from a couple of repairs that have happened in the past, but roofers that don't pick these nails up, they get all rusty and whatnot and become a problem. If this goes down onto the ground and somebody steps on it, that's tetanus. So I always hate to see that, and just wanted to kind of point out that these were here. What I did notice is with install, a lot of these shingles, they weren't set correctly, and now they're totally lifting. And this means the thermal adhesive underneath the glue has actually cured. And with that, you can get water that migrates and get into other areas. So this has happened a few times on this roof. The roof does have plenty of ventilation, which I always like to see around any of these spots where they're actually standing up like that and then cured glue. So I'm gonna make my way up to the top. It looks like on this at one time maybe the ridge was repaired and put on, so it looks like it's a different color compared to the bluish blackish color shingles that are here. So I did notice on the back side, again, there are where the glue has cured on a few of these spots, and this valley is definitely, this is where water runs down from the top, and when you have shingles that are just lifting like that, it can migrate into other areas. So this valley definitely has that going on. And again, a few of these shingles that are lifting with cured thermal adhesive. There's definitely some wear and tear on some of these ridges, and it's because this roof is really a steep roof. What I did notice is that there's quite a bit of what we call silvering, the fraying on the very ends where you can actually see the fiberglass for this. What can happen with that is that can pull water into the system. We never want to see that. And again, some of these shingles where the glue has cured on the shingles, so they're not actually sticking down and whatnot. Again, some more of this fraying going on around the roof. So a couple of these spots that could be a manufacturing defect where just one bundle of shingles is what's losing granules on it and whatnot. So that is definitely something that can be fixed around the roof. Excuse me, it just got windy up here under the roof. I'm gonna try and make this quick. Again, same thing I've seen around the roof where the glue on some of these edges and corners is definitely lifting. And then we've got some exposed nail heads up here that definitely need to be sealed by some weatherized epoxy. And when you see all this fraying going on in different spots, it just tells me that the roof is starting to show age before it ever should, being only 8 years old. So again, Andy Taylor with Red Rock Roofing. I very much appreciate the opportunity to get out here and to bring you up to speed. I don't feel like this roof needs a full replacement, but could definitely use some love and care with some repairs. Again, another spot where it looks like the delamination is happening from a manufacturer defect. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. Thank you.